discussed that similar electronic configuration is responsible for the similarity in periodic properties, right? So see, 1, then 2, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 8, 1. So the same number of valence electrons are present. And then now we see the trend of, as we move down a group, what is happening? The shells are being added. Here there's only one shell, there are 2 shells, here there are 3 shells, here there are 4 shells. So with addition of each shell, the valence electron remains the same, 1 electron. But with the addition of each shell, what happens? The distance of the valence electron keeps on moving away from the nucleus. So as the distance of the valence electron moves away, that means the atomic radii increases. Atomic radii is increasing because of addition of shells, isn't it? Suppose you have just 1 shell over here, then atomic radii is this much. If you have 2 shells, then the atomic radii is this much. So in this way we see there's a gradual increase in the number of shells, and naturally the size of the atom also keeps on increasing as you're moving down a group. The other factor, what is the other factor? Nuclear charge. Number of shell is one factor. It keeps on increasing, so the size keeps on increasing. The other factor is nuclear charge. Now what happens when you are moving down a group? The nuclear charge increases. Nuclear charge increases. See the atomic numbers. There's only 1 proton over here, 3 protons, 11 protons, 19 protons. So the nuclear charge keeps on increasing. Now nuclear charge keeps on increasing means the size should decrease because the nucleus is becoming powerful and it is pulling the electrons towards itself. It should decrease, but it does not happen so. The first factor, that is the number of, or the second factor, right, what you have written over here, this number of shell, this dominates over the nuclear charge. Although nuclear charge or nuclear pull becomes more, the increase due to the number of shell is more dominant over here. And as a result, what is the overall effect? The atomic size increases as you are moving down a group. So what is the trend of atomic size? Atomic size decreases across a period. Atomic size increases down a group. Although it decreases across a period, there's a slight increase at the end because of the ineffectiveness of nuclear pull due to complete octet of the noble gas configuration. Octet is complete, so the nuclear pull becomes ineffective due to electron-electron repulsion. This is about the atomic size, the trends. Down a group, the size is increasing. See, 37, 152, 186, 231, 244, 262. So which is the biggest atom? Cesium. Cesium is the biggest atom. So largest atom over here. So this is the trend of atomic size. Now what happens when it forms a cation? You know that when an atom loses electron, it becomes a cation. The size of the ions we will do. Size of cation is always smaller than the atom. Now why? Because, see, suppose sodium. What is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 1. When sodium loses 1 electron, it converts into sodium cation. Now, what is the electronic configuration of this? It is just 2 and 8. That means the last electron, this valence electron, is deleted and it acquires a positive charge. So how many protons are here? 11 protons. And over here also 11 protons. But electrons are, here is 11 proton and 11 electron. But here it is 11 proton and 10 electron. So the protons, the nucleus is more powerful. It pulls the electrons towards itself, and more, so the size decreases. And moreover, you can see there are only 2 shells over here and there are 3 shells over here. This also adds to the factor that the size of this atom is bigger and the cation is smaller. Now what happens when it forms a negative ion or anion? Let us take the example of chlorine. Chlorine gains an electron. What is the configuration of chlorine? 2, 8, 7. That is 17p and 17e. So when it gains an electron, converts into an anion, chloride, what happens? This has the configuration 288 because it has accepted 1 electron. And now the 17 proton and 18 electrons. So nuclear pull becomes feeble. It means it's less than the number of protons, or less number than the number of electrons. So size increases.